Today we are having students make their own fragrances. So we picked out about 90 essential oils for students to choose from. They're choosing their base notes, and then they're gonna add more concentrated flavor notes to the perfumes, and then you just add ethanol to fill up the bottle, and it should turn out great. So we had Nasim, a former PhD student here at CCNY, to give a little talk before the event today. She is a hair scientist at L'Oreal, and it looks like a lot of the students are interested in the hair care industry as well.
I like fragrances, and utilizing it in chemistry is very fun.
I came here with my friends in order to get them to love chemistry, because I like chemistry and it can be fun.
As soon as we saw the ad for it, we were like, we have to come here. It's a great way to learn more about chemistry and find out how our favorite scents are made. And the fact that we get to try it today is very exciting.
I was interested in how perfumes are made, and I love perfume.
And I'm very interested in the chemistry of it as a chemist myself, so that's why I'm here. So yeah, thank you, Sophia, for doing this event.